In the current COVID scenario, rehabilitation, in addition to medical intervention and nutrition supplement, plays an integral role. Let's see some physical therapy techniques which act as prevention and intervention for a respiratory system. So our aim is to strengthen our respiratory biomechanics.
These positions are helpful when you have shortness of breath. Each position should be held for a minimum of 5 minutes. Positions can be done on a bed or on the floor. Use pillows to make yourself comfortable. Sleeping on your stomach can improve your oxygen level. Here are some other positions while sitting and standing. This technique will help you to relax and control your breathing. Sit in a comfortable and supported position. Put one hand on your chest and other on your stomach. Slowly breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth. As you breathe, you will feel the hand on your stomach rise more than the hand on your chest. Breathing exercise get oxygen deep into the lungs, which helps you clear out mucus and other fluids. During recovery, breathing exercise work to strengthen the diaphragm. It is a major respiratory muscle located under the lungs. It can also help increase lung capacity, bringing much needed oxygen into your bloodstream. Breathing exercise strengthen your lungs, which may reduce COVID-19 impact on your respiratory system. Warming up prepares your body for exercise to prevent injury. Your warm up should last around for 5 minutes, and at the end you should feel slightly breathless. Warm up exercise can be done in sitting or in standing. If you do your warm up in standing, make sure you are holding a stable surface for support. If needed, repeat each movement 2 to 4 times. Exercising safely is an important even if you are independent with your mobility and other exercise before becoming sick. Always do warm up before exercise and wear loose comfortable clothes. You should aim to do fitness exercise for 20 to 30 minutes on daily basis. Here are some fitness exercises, but any activity that makes you feel moderately to almost severely breathless can be counted towards your fitness exercise. Time your fitness exercise and gradually build up the amount of time you can change. This may be in small increases such as an additional 30 seconds or 1 minute of activity. It may take a while to return to the level of activity you were normally able to do before you become unwell. Also do walking, jogging or cycling if it is comfortable for you. Here are some strengthening exercise. Strengthening exercise will help improve muscles that have become weaker as a result of your illness. You should aim to do 3 sessions of strengthening exercise each week. Strengthening exercises will not make you feel breathless in the same way as fitness exercise. Instead, your muscles will feel like they have worked hard. You should aim to complete up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions of each exercise, taking a short rest in between each set. Do not worry if you find these exercises hard. If you do, start with a smaller number of repetitions in each set and build up to achieving sets of 10. As you get better with the exercises, use heavier weights to make your muscles work harder. You can use tins of food or bottles of water as weight. Some strengthening exercise for your arms and legs are therefore, which can be done in sitting or standing. These can be done in any order. Keep a good posture with your back straight and your tummy tucked in and complete the exercises slowly. Remember to breathe in as you prepare to do the hardest part of the exercise and breath out as you make the effort. Let's do sit to stand. Sit with your feet hip width apart, with your arms by your side or crossed over your chest. Slowly stand up, hold the position for the count of 3 and slowly sit back down onto the chair. Keep your feet on the floor throughout. If you cannot stand up from the chair without using your arms, try a higher chair. If this is still so hard at first, you may push with your arms. Sit on a chair with your feet together. Straighten one knee and hold your leg out straight for a moment, then slowly lower it. Repeat with your other leg. Increase the time holding your leg out straight to a count of 3. Perform the exercise more slowly. Stand against the wall and maintain the squat position for few seconds as much as you can do it. Remember to keep your hips higher than your knees. Increase the time as much as you can do. Rest your hands on a stable surface to support your balance, but do not lean on that. Slowly rise up onto your toes and slowly lower back down again. Stand on your toes for a count of 3. Cool down exercises allow your body to return to normal before stopping exercise. Your cool down should last approximately 4-5 minutes and your breathing should be back to normal by the end. Repeat the warm up exercises to move your joints. These can be done in sitting or in standing. Muscle stretches are very important for our body. Stretching your muscles can help to reduce any soreness you may feel over the 1 to 2 days following exercise. You can do these stretches in sitting or in standing. Each stretch should be performed gently and you should hold one for 15 to 20 seconds. Exercise is an important part for recovery. It improves fitness, reduce breathlessness, increase muscle strength, improve balance and coordination, improve your thinking, reduce stress and improve mood, increase confidence and improve your energy.